Are you using an automated trading robot? To truly unlock its potential, running it on a personal computer isn't enough. The secret weapon for serious traders is a virtual private server, or VPS. Let's explore why. First, a VPS guarantees 24/7 uninterrupted trading. Unlike your home PC, a VPS operates in a secure data center, immune to power outages, internet disruptions, or accidental reboots. This ensures your trading bot is always online, constantly analyzing the market and executing trades, so you never miss a critical opportunity, even while you sleep. Second, a VPS dramatically reduces latency. In trading, every millisecond counts. A VPS is physically located closer to your broker's servers, minimizing the delay between your bot's command and its execution. This speed advantage can be the difference between profit and loss, ensuring you get the best possible price on your trades. Third, it offers unmatched reliability and stability. A VPS is a professional, managed environment designed for constant operation. You no longer have to worry about your computer crashing or slowing down. The server's resources are dedicated to your trading bot, providing a stable foundation for your automated strategies to perform optimally. Furthermore, a VPS provides the freedom of remote access. You can securely log in and manage your trading bot from anywhere in the world using any device with an internet connection, be it your laptop, tablet, or smartphone. This gives you complete control and flexibility over your trading operations. No matter where you are, finally, security is paramount. Reputable VPS providers offer robust security measures, including firewalls and protection against common cyber threats, safeguarding your trading software and capital from external risks. In conclusion, using a VPS for your trading robot isn't a luxury. It's a necessity for achieving consistent results. It provides non-stop operation, faster execution, unwavering reliability, remote access, and enhanced security. Elevate your automated trading by making the switch to a VPS.